Hey, so kids, I've got something special for you today to prepare for St. Patrick's Day. I've created some really adorable lucky backpack charms. So we've got some leprechaun hats, rainbows coming out of leprechaun hats, and we've got the shamrock and the lucky horseshoe. Go ahead and take a look at the link below to get your project guide. In the guide, you'll see the directions on how to create each one of these adorable little backpack charms. So we've got the horseshoe one. It tells you all the supplies you'll need, the pattern pieces. We've got your cut sheets. So go ahead and take a look at the guide and tell me which one of these is your favorite lucky backpack charm. Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoy, and happy St. Patrick's Day! We'll see you soon!